I don't think I've ever had tofurkey, but it's pretty legit. Y'all, I'm so ready to eat. So I was this close to doing the let the person in front of me decide what I eat challenge. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, everybody on YouTube is doing it. But I was so close to doing that dang challenge, and I'm like, you know what, I would be so mad if I got something that honestly just I never get, and nothing is worse to me than a waste of time and just a waste of money. So I decided, you know, just let's can that idea, and how about let's just go on the hunt for some vegan food. There aren't a lot of vegan restaurants or like vegan cafes around my town, so I'm gonna have to drive 30 minutes to the closest vegan cafe, which is fine. I'm doing this because when you think of Southern food, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Fried chicken, mac and cheese, you know, some good hearty Southern comfort food. You don't really think vegan food. So I just kind of wanted to see the options that they have out here in Alabama. I've only been living in Alabama for about a year and a couple months, so I'm still getting acquainted with everything that's around me. All right, but I'm pretty much ready to go, so let's go get some food. There's people that visit me from Pensacola because we're only about like 45 minutes away from Pensacola, and they're like, Michelle, you live out in the boondocks. And I don't think I do, because I'm right by Gulf Shores, which is like a touristy town. We got Target out there, we got stores, but it don't look like this. Oh my gosh. I had no idea that just down the road there was a bunch of nothingness. So that place is so cute. I actually got lost trying to find it. It is this teeny tiny little cafe squished in between like an abandoned little spot in the plaza and then next to like a health food store, but you can't see it. It's like so little. But it's called the Sunflower Cafe in Fairhope. So I got the vegan Reuben. There was like a choice of 3 different meats. So you could have gotten turkey, like regular turkey. You could have gotten tofurkey and tempeh. So I asked her, I'm like, what tastes better, the tempeh or the tofurkey? And she said, go with the tofurkey. So I said, I'm gonna trust you, girl. I got low carb bread. It has some type of sauerkraut in there. It looks really good. I got the salad with the dressing of the day, which was like a plum basil or something like that. Like, I'm not showing you guys. Okay. And then I just got chips with hummus in there. So this is like completely vegan. And I got a blueberry iced tea, which tastes amazing. I need to make some of that at home. So let's try this thing. Okay. Oh, dang. Should got a napkin. Oh, there's a napkin here. Yes. Okay, I'm not mad at it. It tastes like the real thing. I love Sprouts in my salad. Now they did have like a hummus of the day. Like they have all these specials daily, and I feel like it was like a pesto hummus, but it wasn't vegan, and I'm trying to, you know, do an all vegan meal today. Oh my god, there is nothing like fresh hummus. Or like my Arabic friends would say, hummus. Oh my god, this sandwich is on another level. I was legit so hungry I could have eaten a horse on my way here, and you saw what it looked like on my way here. I could have easily just pulled over and gotten a horse. I was not about to drive 30 minutes to go back and eat this. I was starved. I don't think I've ever had tofurkey, but it's pretty legit. I really wish you could have a bite of this right now. Look at it. This is so legit. It's really delicious. This sauerkraut is just It's definitely worth the drive. Half an hour isn't too terrible, but I just wish there was places like this around where I live. And you know what? They should definitely have some vegan drive-through, because why don't we have those here? I'm so happy I went with this instead of doing that challenge, y'all. Getting exactly what I ordered, priceless. Now, I'm not saying I'm 100% vegan, okay? So before you come for me, I'm telling you right now, I'm being super transparent. Whenever I can make the decision to go more plant-based or to choose, you know, a vegan option, I will. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this baby up and probably run some errands around here. Now do me a favor and hit that like button if you like this kind of style of video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my face. But I think I'm gonna conclude the video here. This was a lot of fun and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.